Welcome. In front of me is a SONY Xperia 10 Mark VI, and today I will show you how you can enable power saving mode on this device. So to get started, you'll want to pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen, and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. Somewhere here you'll find the power saving mode. For me it is right over here. As you can see, it's called stamina mode. This is basically power saving mode on Sony. They just want it to be quirky, I guess. So you can click on it and it brings up window, turn on stamina mode. Stamina mode turns on dark theme, restricts background activity, and delays notifications. Wow, it's almost like a power saving mode is doing. Like I said, it's power saving mode. Just they decided to change the name, and for some reason they also capitalize it. Are you screaming this at me, Sony? So anyway, we're gonna select turn on, and there we go. It's now right now running. Now there is one very important part of this message that you've seen right there, which is the delays notifications. This is normal for majority of the phones, and the way it achieves this, it's just gonna turn off Wi-Fi and mobile data. So when your device goes to sleep, which this would be considered sleep mode, after a couple of minutes, it will disconnect from network, and because of that you won't be getting any kind of notifications. Now the message stated that it's going to delay them, so it means that the device will automatically be reconnecting every so often to see if it's missing any kind of notifications, and if it is, it's going to deliver to them all in bulk, and then again disconnect. Obviously, also, if you wake up the device yourself, it should automatically reconnect, so that would also force the device to check for updates if it's missing some kind of notifications. So just wanted to point that out, as this might be very important to some people, not getting notifications on time. So just note, this is part of the power saving mode, or stamina mode as it's called right here. Now once you're done with your power saving mode, you can turn it off by tapping on a toggle once again. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.